Hello everyone! DeepSeek AI Explained. Is this the best AI tool for developers in 2025? Are you a developer tired of switching between tools to write, debug, and optimize code? What if I told you there's an AI built specifically for coders that might just outperform ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot? Let's talk about DeepSeek AI, the rising star in the world of developer-focused artificial intelligence. But what exactly is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is an open-source, large language model designed with developers in mind. Unlike general-purpose models like ChatGPT, DeepSeek is optimized for code generation, bug fixing, code explanation, and even multi-language development across Python, JavaScript, C++, Go, and more. So what makes DeepSeek different from other AI coding assistants? Unlike many AI tools, DeepSeek doesn't just guess code. It understands developer intent. It's trained on vast amounts of code bases, documentation, and real-world developer conversations, making its output far more relevant and context-aware. Want to build a CRUD app? DeepSeek can generate the back-end logic and database models instantly. Need help understanding a legacy C++ function? DeepSeek explains it like a mentor, not a textbook. What can you do with DeepSeek AI? 1. Refactor spaghetti code into clean, modular logic. 2. Translate code from one language to another. 3. Debug error-prone segments in seconds. 4. Summarize complex libraries or APIs. 5. Assist with test case generation. 6. Use it offline if needed, thanks to open-source accessibility. 7. Generate full functions with comments and error handling. Is DeepSeek better than ChatGPT or Copilot? This is the big question. ChatGPT is versatile, great at explanations, but it sometimes misses the deep context of code-specific tasks. GitHub Copilot is great at autocomplete, but lacks conversational debugging and deep explanations. DeepSeek combines both worlds, a coding assistant and a code teacher. For developers looking for focused, intelligent responses, DeepSeek is currently one of the best alternatives. And since it's open source, you're not locked into a pricing wall or monthly subscription. Why is DeepSeek trending among developers in 2025? Because it's fast, accurate, and understands code structure better than most. It's becoming a go-to tool for freelance developers, startup engineers, and even educators. AI tools are evolving, but DeepSeek is evolving with developers, not just for them. Real use cases of DeepSeek. A freelance developer used it to convert a 2,000-line Java project into TypeScript in a day. A CS student built a complete React app with DeepSeek's help, including the backend. An AI startup integrated DeepSeek into their local IDE for smart suggestions without cloud latency. So, what makes DeepSeek stand out from tools like ChatGPT or GitHub Copilot? First, DeepSeek is trained on billions of lines of code, including real-world repositories, giving it a deep contextual understanding of how developers actually write and structure code. Whether you're using Python, JavaScript, C#, Java, or Go, DeepSeek delivers highly accurate suggestions that go beyond syntax completion. It understands your intent. Imagine you're stuck on a complex algorithm or need to refactor legacy code. DeepSeek can instantly suggest optimized versions and explain its reasoning in natural language. That's not just smart autocomplete, that's real-time pair programming. And here's the game changer. DeepSeek supports in-context learning, meaning you can paste your code base and it adjusts its recommendations based on your own style and architecture. This is especially powerful for large-scale applications where consistency and maintainability are key. Let's break down some of DeepSeek AI's most powerful features. 1. AI code completion that adapts to your project's architecture. 2. Bug detection and fixing suggestions in real time. 3. Multi-language support for cross-platform development. 4. Detailed code explanations for junior developers or team training. 5. Natural language prompts. Just describe what you want, and DeepSeek writes the function for you. Now, you might be wondering, is DeepSeek better than ChatGPT for developers? The short answer is, if your main use case is software development, then yes, DeepSeek is purpose-built for it. While ChatGPT is incredibly versatile, DeepSeek has the edge when it comes to deep coding support and IDE integration. Developers using DeepSeek report up to 40% faster development cycles, fewer bugs, and dramatically reduced code review time. So, if you're a software engineer, coding bootcamp student, or even a startup CTO, DeepSeek AI could be your secret weapon for 2025. Still on the fence? Ask yourself, do you spend hours debugging code? Do you want to write clean, production-level code faster? Do you want an AI tool that feels like a true coding partner? If you answered yes, it's time to try DeepSeek AI. Getting started is easy. DeepSeek integrates seamlessly with your favorite IDEs, like VS Code, JetBrains, and NeoVim. You can install the extension, set your preferences, and start coding with AI in minutes. Don't forget, AI isn't here to replace developers. It's here to amplify what you do best. DeepSeek helps you focus on architecture, logic, and creativity, while it handles the repetitive and tedious parts of coding. So, what are you waiting for? Smarter coding starts now with DeepSeek AI. If you're a developer in 2025, exploring tools like DeepSeek AI is no longer optional, it's essential. The future of coding isn't about writing every line yourself. It's about collaborating with AI that understands what you need before you even finish typing. So, is DeepSeek worth your time? Absolutely, especially if you want to code faster, smarter, and with fewer errors. Try it out, experiment with real projects, and you might just find your new favorite coding partner. Don't forget to subscribe for more advanced AI tools, developer hacks, and future-ready tech insights.